ใส่แล้ว
Yeah.
เป็นหมดเชียว
Okay, today I'm gonna make my pork with green. First, I cut my pork really thin like this. They boil first, and then until cook about 5 minutes. It gets really thin. After that, put lemongrass and ginger. After that, it's boiling about 5 minutes. Then just put your green. Put your green, put a little bit of salt. I like boil my pork with green. That's how I do my green. Don't put too much broth because the vegetables still wet. Wash really rinse the vegetable well. Leave it aside. Wait until your meat is cooked. You just throw it in there. This is my favorite food. This is how I do my green. Well, I had lemongrass and ginger flavor in the green. Just wait for 3 or 4 minutes. Wait until the meat is fully cooked. And then just throw your veggie in there. The green in there. Make it boil. 4 or 5 minutes and wait until the green turns soft. Alright, the stem, feel it. If the stem's soft enough, then it should be ready. Let me feel it. Not yet, still hard. All you do, just wait until the stem soft. That's it. This is Hmong style food. It's nqaij xyaw. Alright, it's cooked now. It tastes not long, not much time to cook, but it tastes great. It tastes delicious. That's it. It's done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next video. If you